What's up, Fantastic family? It's your girl Fantastic, and I'm back with another video. And of course, I am still in the Cancun area. This is day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is day 4. I just checked out of my resort, Catalonia Costa Mujeres, Murjays, however you pronounce it, Mujeres. All spa, all suites and spa. And we leave at 12, headed to the next. We're going in the Playa del Carmen, Tulum area. So right now I'm just waiting, looking for something to open. Everything has shut down for breakfast, but nothing is open for lunch. It's currently about maybe 11:15. There is a shop right behind me. It's a crepe, and I don't really want a crepe, so I've been seeing these big burgers, so I think I'm gonna get a burger. But I'm just sitting out here enjoying the weather. So far, no rain. Temperature is very mild. So yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting. Whoever can open their doors first. I'm thinking maybe 11:30, cause I smell some burgers. But yeah, it's a nice little ride, so I would prefer to eat on my way. So I'll catch you in the next clip. What's up, Fantastic family? It's your girl Fantastic, and I'm back. I am now in the Playa del Carmen area at a new resort. I'm at the Paradisus Playa del Carmen, owned by Malia. I did not know that this resort was owned by Malia, and Malia, these folks know how to party. They throw phone parties like no other, but it has literally rained every single day that I've been here. I mean, literally. But you know what? I'd rather be here than home. I'm still having a ball. See you in the next clip. At the beautiful Paradise. What's up, Fantastic family? It's your girl Fantastic, and I'm back with another day. This is day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is day 3.5, and I spent 3.5 days at the Catalonia Costa Mujeres, all suites and spa, and I'll spend the remainder of my time at this resort. And I was in love with my last room. So if you liked my last room, you're gonna absolutely love this one. I am at the Paradisus
in Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen is near the Tulum area. It's further north of Cancun. I think it's north. And let me just shut up and show y'all, cause I'll go on and on. The room had a seal on it to show that everything was sanitized and so forth. And again, I got another one of these keys. This is something new. I put this up and I enter. When I enter, I got my full mirror. Behind it is, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a closet. It's a closet on this side, shelvings. Another iron board. A girl could get used to this. Got a counter. I can set my luggage here. I'm just waiting on them to bring it. I got a sink, coffee pot, cabinets, and I'm looking at this stuff blind. I got my fridge here with my sodas and drinks and beer. I got a full-size dining table that sits 6 people. Got a bar to the left. On my bathroom. Vanity mirror. Rain shower. Fire shower. I have my throne room. Then it has 2 doors. I can come in here. I have a his and her sink in here. I have a hot tub in here. More cabinet space. Safe to keep my passport and valuables. Safe. More closet space. I think these may be slippers. They are the hotel branded slippers. My king bed. Got a balcony. I can figure out how to get to it. I got a jacuzzi tub on my balcony. A table and chair. This is my view. I'm overlooking the swim out rooms. Everybody got a balcony, the ones on the first floor. They got the swim out rooms. I'm in a all adult room. My patio furniture table. Again, there's my hot tub that I will be enjoying. TV. Come back out the bedroom. I got my living room space. These couches do not let out, but that's okay. Another TV. Wow. Just when, wow. That's all I can say is wow. They really outdid themselves. I stayed in the Malia before. This is Paradisus, P-A-R-I-P-R. I'll get back to you with the spelling. But when we pulled up, I saw that it was owned by the Malia. And I stayed in a Malia before. My room was just a small room. But it was nice, but I liked the atmosphere of the resort. But this place is absolutely amazing. And when I walked in, I thought, what did I do to deserve this? You thinking about booking this? Leave me a message, or you can contact me, 901-602-2151, and I can assist you in getting here. Room like this. This is a perfect room for a family, but they have two sides, to the adult side and the family side. There's a water park somewhere around here. And everything, let me show you something. It got safety seals. Look at her. They got the remote. The the telephone has safety seal. They got safety seals on everything. I want to get in one of these tubs so bad. But my luggage, I didn't show you. They got heels and her robes to go along with those heels and her slippers. This is amazing. I am a travel agent. I am a full service travel agent. And if you're interested in booking this look, again, reach out to me. Yeah. Like this video. Put a comment down below and let me know what you think of this room, and if you think this one is better or the one at Catalonia is better. Like, comment, and share this video. Now I'll be bringing more content like this. I've already toured about 5 resorts here, and I'm going to tour about 5 tomorrow. So subscribe to the channel so you can see other content like this. Let me add that this shower is a double shower.